Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If this is not your first time, you're most definitely welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any fun content from my channel. Of course, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up as this helps a lot. So with that said, without further ado, whichever one, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, do my skin work, do the magic. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be showing you guys some new items that I got this week and just basically showing you how excited and how maybe not excited, how those products work and what rave I've heard about them, because I'll be using all of them for this tutorial. So starting off, just give me a minute to pack all the items out. Okay, so starting off, I got this Msmetic moisture potion. I've heard a lot about this product, especially from Catchy's Glam Ginica. Thank you so much for doing all those nice reviews. If not, I probably wouldn't have spent a lot. And then yeah, so I got this off sales, so it was basically cheaper. Right now it's 3.5, but when it was on sales I got it for 2.8, and it's the original one, don't worry. So this is what it looks like. It comes in the packaging like this. I think the packaging is really unique. I was drawn between this and the Omari Code and Brega one. A lot of people don't talk about that one that often. Most people prefer this, and I've used this twice already, so it's highly moisturizing. I feel that it takes a while for it to absorb into the skin. That is the only con I noticed. It doesn't absorb quickly. It's like a silicone base. Like if you're using this primer, yeah, basically the same thing. So let's just read what is written on the back. So it says this lightweight, non-greasy, non-comedogenic formula with hydro Jesus Christ, doubles as a primer. It deeply nourishes the skin, repairs the skin, improves skin ability to lock water and moisture, rejuvenates and makes the skin delicate and tender. After cleansing and apply proper amounts onto the face and massage until you absorb. It takes a while for it to absorb, so that is the only con. Other than that, I think it's pretty much really good. It's really highly moisturizing, as they said. Let me just show you how the liquid looks like. So it's white like this. This much is even too much. I think I need to clean my hand because I applied hair mousse. So you can see it takes a while for it to absorb, so you have to keep applying and applying. Okay, and that's basically, let me just come closer so you can see. It's cooling. I don't know, like my face is already moisturized. Okay, she had like soft boxes. Okay, so this is basically how it looks. The next item I got is Colourpop. She was on sales again, and oh, I forgot to link the name. So the store that I got all these items from is the Makeda Beauty Hub on Instagram. So she was having a sales, and I was like, why not? Even though I didn't have money. So sales happen spontaneously. It's not like you can predict, and the prices were really good. So I think this one I got it for 2.8 or 3,000 naira. I'm not sure, but currently it's 3.5. So I got another one because this concealer is the shit. So this is the old one. It's basically the same. The only thing I did notice is that you can see that this is glossy rather, but this is matte. So I saw on somebody's page that they have two versions. This is a lot heavier. maybe because this is almost finished, a lot heavier. That they come in two stuff, so one is matte and the other one is glossy, so it doesn't mean that it's fake. Again, just seeing it out there. Next I got the Zaron mascara, Zaron Lengthening mascara. I've used this yesterday. I didn't see any difference. You know, people have been raving about it. I really did not see that much difference. The only thing though is that compared to the one I normally use, which is the Focalo mascara, mascara dries your lashes, like extremely drying. When you have your bath, that mascara is not going anywhere. Like you have to literally apply oil or Vaseline on your lashes and leave it to sit for a minute or 5 minutes before it melts off the products. Without that, if you're trying to pull off your lashes, like trust me, I'm telling you the fact. But this, you can, once you just do like this, it comes off. So I really like it. I don't know if it's waterproof, but I don't know. But yeah, that's that. And I have this one, Mabrook. I used it for the first time in my life last week and I really fell in love with it. It's pigmented and the lot goes a long way. The reason why I switched from using pencils to use the retractable one, especially Beauty Line by DD, is because it's a lot tinier and then it gets in there, like there's no mistaking where the lines should be. But with this, it has to be very sharp. You can see that it's already short compared to this because I have to sharpen. So I got a new one because again she was on sale. I think I got it for 1.5, which is actually the price I got this one for. So then finally, I've been wanting to get a black Opal foundation. This foundation is the truth. Yesterday when I was going to work, I applied it. I used it to contour and it came out like a dream. So go get yourself one. This is the new one, so it has black written like this and Opal written like this. And oh, finally I joined the V Beauty gang. So I got her blush. Her blush is a dream. Like, can you see how pigmented these colors are? Like crazy pigmented. I love it. Like I ran into trouble yesterday because initially I thought it was not pigmented, but I went and took a brush and that was it. I was trying to correct it, it wasn't going off. I eventually just looked like a burnt piece of cookie when I was going to work. So you need to be very careful. Just a little, even when you apply it, make sure you dust it off before applying it, or apply it on the palm of your at the back of your palm and then apply it on your face. That should reduce the amount of product that would go onto your face. So yeah, that's a really quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, and if you'd like more haul videos like this, do well to leave a comment down below and suggest what products you want to see, and I'll get right into it. Okay, all right.